Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the location of the Camp Creek train derailment that killed like 39 of the 45 passengers that were on that train. It was just a fluke, tragic accident. It had been raining a whole bunch during that time, and it just weakened the support of the trestle that the train had to go over, and when the train came through, it went over, it derailed and dropped like 60 to 80 feet down into the ravine or to the creek, killing 39 people. But we're here to see if we can't pick up on some of the paranormal activity. It's said that you can actually hear like the train coming through, and screaming from the passengers, a whole different slew of things. But let's get right into it. All right, guys. They're what?
Sullivan, he's right there.
Yeah, J.T. Sullivan. That was the train conductor?
Yes.
Yeah, he's the one that said right before, like 2 miles before coming into this area, that by that time tomorrow, they would either be in Atlanta or in hell. 2 miles later, tragedy struck. So, yeah. You've got some unidentified markers. Then you have Robert Spencer, J.T. Sullivan, W.J. Pat, W.F. Maddox, W.H. Green, and I'm almost certain that there are a few more. I know there's some over here that are laying down. My friend is trying to get them, I think, and put them back right, because that's what we do. Unidentified. Yeah, if there's any more, put them back up. There's some here that are unidentified. Oh, here's one that's it's broken, but it's W.R. Lawrence. Yeah, W.R. Lawrence. Oh. I'm gonna go over here and there's a few more that are just, they're not. Wow, I figured this place would be kept up. The mayor, I guess, has been trying to get the community to, help with this, raise some money, I guess, to keep the memorial going. But the trestles up there, I don't know how I would get across to the other side, but let me see if I can get a better view. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's the trestle that the train derailed from and came off in and exploded. Like, can you imagine coming off of that in a train going however fast it was going? And I do have my K2 meter, so we're gonna see if we can't pick up some energy. We're gonna get up here and see what we come up with. J.T. Sullivan, are you here with us? If you are, can you make this meter light up and communicate with us through it? Let us know that you're here. Or anybody else that was involved in that tragic train derailment on June 23rd, 1900. Like over 130 years ago is when this happened. Are there any people here that are still lingering from that day? Please communicate with us. let us know that you're here, or alright guys, I'm switching to the ghost tube to see what we catch on that. Alright guys, I'm using the ghost meter now, and I've got the K2 with me running. If there's anybody here that's left from that's still lingering from the Camp Creek train derailment, let us know. Please communicate through either one of these devices. JT Sullivan was said to have made the comment that by the time on that day, that by that time tomorrow they would be in Atlanta or in hell. Did he know something that the rest of us, or the rest of the people on that train, didn't know? Brian? Brian. Brian, were you part of that train wreck? It seems like when I was reading one of the stories that it mentioned a Brian. I want to get over there. Huh? Oh, you're weak. Well, honey, you can use my energy if you need to speak with me. Can you tell me what your name is? Were you part of that accident, of that derailment? I would like to speak with anybody that was a part of that. Whoa. Something just like tapped on my toe. Like tapped on my foot, the top of my foot. No, that was no joke. That's crazy. Brian, was that you tapping on my foot?
That's mine.
What is yours? Which one is yours? Is that the one that he's looking at? Is that what you're talking about? Or are you telling me that was you tapping on my foot? Is JT Sullivan still here? Or is he in hell like he predicted? I would really like to know, JT. I wonder if JT stands for John Thomas. You know what? See, a lot of these markers, like, they don't even have them still up. Nobody has been keeping up with this. They got a John Bryant, Ed Bird. I wonder if there's a Brian. Is that... Which is that? I mean, what does that say?
Brady.
Brady. There's Brantley. I got the name Brian on this, so we gotta look for a Brian. Brian, can you direct me in the right way to go? Like, where's your marker? Or is it one of the unidentified? Brian, are you here with us? JT Sullivan, are you here with us? How about W.H. Green or W.A. Barclay? Or W.W. Bennett? Are any of you still left behind lingering from that tragic day? Or has your energy just faded away? I would really, really appreciate if I got some response. I know you're here. I know you can talk to me. I mean, I feel your presence. Alright, we're going to try to make our way over here to these trestles. I've got to get over here somehow. I don't know how, but I've got to figure it out. So, give me just a minute and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we got a demon pop up. I don't know what that would mean, but I just wanted to, you know, document that. I'm gonna have to take my shoes off and walk across. So, I'll be right back with y'all. Okay guys, I made it across to the other side where you can actually see the trestle. Just gotta be careful. Hope there's no snakes.
Strong.
Oh God, you scared me. Strong. Give it to you. Give you what? I don't have anything that you're gonna take from me. Oh. Alright. Guys, this is the train trestle that the number 7 train derailed from and dropped 60 feet, killing 39 people. To my right? What about it? What's to my right? What is it? What is it?
Keep recording.
Keep recording. What's to my right? Okay, there's something they're trying to show me. What is it? Can you tell me? What is it?
I'm not sure how.
You're not sure how to tell me? Am I in danger? Should I be careful? Like, is there a snake or something? What could it be? Tell me. Am I in danger? Okay, what is it? What is to my right? I see the clamshells. But what is it? What is... Alright, come on. Can you tell me what your name is? So I know who I'm talking to? Please? My name is April, and that's my friend James. We come with